Okay, welcome back, and today is the very first day at the track. I'm incredibly excited, so I just started the bike and took it for a quick go around the car park, nothing much. So the good news is we're at the track. The good news is the bike is going. I got all my gear. I got lots of water because it's very, very hot and very humid. So that's all the good news. The bad news is I suppose I'm by myself, which is sort of fine because I'm really just going to take it easy. There's no heroes today. So what I'm going to do is really just take the bike out and just sort of bed in the brakes and make sure the chain's okay. The chain looks loose to me, but it's measuring exactly where it's supposed to, which is 55 to 58 millimeters up. So I guess we'll see what happens with the chain and what happens with the brakes and the work that I did on the bike, but I'm pretty happy with the way things are going so far. I do have a chest cam, so I'm going to take you for a little go around the track. By all means, sort of tell me how slow I am and how much better you could do. Good for you. I'm not that fast. I'm doing this for fun. So plus, like I said, I'm the only one here, so if I do go for a Burton, I guess I'm going to have to pick myself up and put myself in the ambulance. So we'll be taking it easy. So here we go. This is hour one, day one of the Supermoto thing that I'm doing. And here she is, the finished article. All sorted out. So the front Supermoto fender is on. The wheel is on with the brake extender that you will see right in there. That's the black part. That's all sorted out. I'm supposed to have a magnet in here. I did order one and it didn't come with it. They're $10. I'm not terribly worried about it. We've got some fuel in her. She's raring to go. This is the back wheel, obviously. A brand new chain, which is an RK chain. I just got the non-O-ring type. And I've never really shown you around this bike much. It's a little ratty, I guess, but it's a 2013. This was put on for road use, which never happened, so I'm probably going to have to pull that off at some point because it doesn't do anything. It has a twin map switch, which doesn't seem to do anything. Either that or I'm just not good enough to notice it. And it does have a Voyager GPS monitor, engine monitor, so I've got speed, or I would have if I had a magnet. I've got RPM, I've got temperature, which is really what I'm interested in, which is nice. And there you go. She does seem to be a little higher at the front than I was expecting, I guess, because the front wheel went from a 21 to a 17 and the back went from an 18 to a 17. I was expecting her to be a bit more nosy, but she's not. And I'm not quite sure why. She seems to be, I don't know, seems to be sitting up a bit more at the front than I was expecting. But you know what? We'll try her out, find out. We're going to have to mess with settings. We've got a lot of work to do. This is hour one, day one. So, all right, let's go from there. Okay. That wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be.